Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can share our Instagram link. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram app. Then we're going to click on this profile menu right here. After we click on profile menu, we can tap on shared profile right here. Then we can choose share profile, but we can also click on copy link. Then we can copy our Instagram link to be shared to other application, and I'm just going to click on shared profile right here, and we can choose where we want to share our profile link, and we can choose CapCut or WhatsApp or maybe Telegram. It's up to you, and you can choose it as you like. And that's how we can share our Instagram link. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video, guys.